Alright, if you haven't guessed already by the title of this video or that, this is the Space Jam theme. So how do we play this? It is the same thing going over and over. Right, not to take away from it, because there are a few bits to practice, so stay tuned for the remainder of the video. Okay, so to begin this, what we're going to do is I'm going to cover the bass line. And the fingers I use for the bass notes might seem a little bit odd, but keep in mind we're learning them so that we will add in the higher line, the in a minute. So we get the 5th fret and we go like this. We go 3, 4, then the 4th, then the 2nd index. The counter goes as follows. I go 1, a 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, a 2. It's that 1, a 2 that gives it that quality. 1, a 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, and 4, and so on. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. That's with a 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody come up, it's down the jam now. We got a real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright, the other bit. Wave your hands in the air if you feel right. Welcome to the Space Jam. Alright, now let's get into that next part. So what's happening here is you're going to get your index finger on that 4 that you'll see now on screen, and you will begin with the rhythm. And I am actually picking my pick down on the A string, and my middle finger is picking that G string like that. And I do that for all of these notes. Okay, so my fingers here are going middle and index on the left hand, then it's going middle and ring, then finally it's going index and ring. So I get used to those changes first and then work on this. So once you have the fingers and once you have those parts, it's time to combine them. So bar 1 goes, right, bar 2, and finally bar 3. And note with bar 3 here that it will go 2, 2, 2, 2, 0, 2, like that. There's a 0 snuck in there. Okay, so now we get all those parts, and to watch out for a few little bits here, I am also palm muting the A string, so I'm getting my palm and resting it down on the string like that. Okay, so now you had 2 lines. You had the straightforward, if you want to do that, and then you had this part. Okay, finally. Send again now. Like that. Alright, that line comes in later on in it, but it's just a little high line you can add in on top. If you have a looper pedal, you could put it in over the other parts we've learned. And that's how to play the Space Jam theme. Guys, stay up to date every Thursday by subscribing, and you'll be kept up to date for all the latest lessons I put up. I do like a throwback lesson nearly every Thursday. Alright, see you in the next video.